Hi guys, yeah, before Chinese New Year I came to apply new layers of paint protection film for my car headlamp. Yes, and now within 2 months the right hand side there's some wrinkles or bubbles, so luckily the PPF comes with a 2 years warranty. So now I come back here to replace the wrinkled PPF. So yeah, it was a quick service. It took about less than 30 minutes to get it replaced. Luckily it comes with warranty, so yep. And I have a new PPF again. And alright, that's all for today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.